Hi guys. Today I will be showing off the Marvel Legends Captain America Endgame Worthy Power Glory Walmart exclusive action figure. It's in the package here. I just need to get it out of here. And here it is. Let me get it out. Now, I bought this just a couple of days ago, so it's arrived really sooner than I expected. And that looks pretty cool. There's both sides. On the back here is a message here encrypted on the side, which you can't see. But it says, Steve Rogers prepares for the ultimate battle to save the universe and channels all his strength as Captain America. There you can see his Captain America shield. An alternate head here for Steve Rogers, played by Chris Evans, and then the action figure itself. And then here you can see there's Mjölnir. It's hard to see, but I'll take it out of the package and you'll see the box. That looks awesome. Okay. Captain America. So, it's out of the package, the box. And I failed to mention everything about the box. Here's like the A for Avengers symbol, back, everything. Here it is. Start off with the shield, if I can get it out. You know what? That's probably better. Here it is. It's the back side, the handle, the battle damaged shield from Avengers Endgame. And then the alternate unmasked Steve Rogers head. And of course the Thor's hammer, Mjölnir. Worthy. It's awesome. And then you can't have a Captain America action figure without Captain America. I'll get it out of the box, hold on. Okay. Well, here's Cap in all his glory out of the package, and stand and his shield, the damaged shield, and on the back here the handle, grips, and everything. And I think it's called like the Power and Glory, Worthy and Power and Glory Captain America figure, because Mjölnir being the hammer being the power and the shield being the glory, and Cap being the one that's worthy of being able to wield Mjölnir. And here's his helmet, the head with the helmet on, and you go here are the stars, and then on the side you can see the Avengers symbol, which is similar like to the one that's used in Age of Ultron. And then I think the body's similar to like the Civil War, action figure, or maybe more so the Infinity War Marvel Legends figure, but it's faded out more and you can't see the shining of the star. But I'm pretty certain that the bottom, the legs and everything, are pretty much a replica of those of Infinity War. But there's like a line coming through the front part. And then here's the belt, which you can move. And he goes forward and back. Pretty good articulation, I think. Kicks. All of that. And looks like he's about to snap. He doesn't have an Infinity Gauntlet though, so I wish they would. There's only like one thing. I wish they could have like some sort of little magnet or clicker, which you can just like put the shield on there. But then there's also the handles that are in the way. So, but this is just an awesome figure, I think. You get Mjölnir at his side. And I'll get the shield in a moment. There he is again, with his shield. And Thor's hammer. Looking forward. Okay, so here's a little size comparison with this small Superman figure. Dang it. Okay, well, I guess that's about it. Can move the shield really well, it's pretty cool. I thought the hammer would actually be a little difficult to put on because the handle does seem like it's pretty breakable, but you just start here at the top, or at the bottom right here, like here. Whoops, it's hard to show on camera. Hold on. You start where this part of the grip is, and then you just slide it upwards. And then you can just move it wherever you want to put it. That's about it. That's all there's to it. And yeah. Thanks for watching. I can do this all day. Yeah, I seem to have forgotten a crucial component to the set, and that is being the alternate head for Chris Evans, Captain America. And there it is on the figure itself. Pretty awesome, I'd say. Stands really easily. And then there's the helmet that he wears in Endgame. Chin strap and everything. I think that's about it. So that's it. Alright, thanks for watching.